wait, no. Hi there, Hidaki fans. My name is Nick Ken, and I'm the host of Dog on Town. And today we've lost Kuromi. She's a blackbird, but it successfully lost her life for some reason. Even though her cause of death is unknown, he said. So, fellow rammers, what happened to her? The surprise might come. No, a blackbird can't die like that. But that's the choice. Birds can die. Maybe because of murder. That is not right, everybody. Only I can know what it is. Whatever happened to Kuromi might be a secret. Is it right? I don't know what happened to Kuromi. Me neither. What happened to my father? I'm going to get that old man to praise me, no matter what. Boy, he seems to get grumpier. Nobody cares. I care, and I know what happened to her. Just please pray to God in my service, love, and hate, and to all a good night. Call up a level got bug from Bazam. God darn it! I know I was right! See? I know I saw that coming! Kuromi died of poison! Sure! I guess that counts. Yes! We did it! We finally got the best choice, and now we got our best choice, and it's yours to finish! La 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 la! Guys, shut up! I'm trying to sleep! Hello everybody, my name is Nursery Ram, and today go subscribe to this channel because of the sleeping children over there. Go and like that video and subscribe to turn on notifications. Also mind the sleeping children, please.